Okay, it could just be a coincidence, but I want to talk about light, and it's nice sunny weather in the UK right now. I'm grounding. Kaniki shorts, grounding, with my grounding shoes. Tan through, 80% light into the sun. But I've been thinking about this from information I've collated from other people and also my own observations about sun gazing being an intensified colour therapy session. So we know that light from the sun contains all spectrums of light. We know this for a fact. When you put it through a prism, it breaks down into the colour of indigo, purple, blue, green, orange, yellow, red. Also a rainbow is proof of this. So when we do sun gazing, the eyes, in my opinion, are soft filaments, and it's very sensitive because it's meant to allow the sun in, maximum sunlight penetration through the eyes. Also the skin acts as a solar panel too, don't get me wrong, but the eyes are meant to be for colour therapy, and that's why they're soft and allow the light in. Now, let's go deeper a little bit with this and break it down. And I also believe the chakras are real, and I'll tie in with the chakras. So, according to the chakra system, we have at the top purple indigo, the pineal, the throat is the blue, green, the heart, yellow is the stomach, navel, orange is the sacred sexual chambers, and the red is the perineum, the legs, first chakra. Now, let's think a little. The wavelengths of light from the sun are visible light, containing all those colours of the rainbow, the chakras that we just named, are in a funny order, aren't they? The colours of a rainbow come out in the same order as the chakras. That's one point that's worth mentioning. So the colours of the rainbow would be purple, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And that's the same as the colour chakras as they go from top to bottom, or bottom to top. So the colours are rainbow. But it gets even deeper than this. The wavelengths of visible light have a different frequency. So the slower ones on the visible light spectrum are the blue indigo, and the fastest one is the red. Right? So blue indigo's got very slow, blue's got a little bit quicker, green's got a little bit quicker than that, yellow's got a little bit quicker than that, orange's got a little bit quicker than that, and red's got the quickest. Now, we know from science that the blue indigo, the slowest wavelengths of visible light, don't penetrate the skin very deeply. And then the red, on the other end of the spectrum of the rainbow and the first chakra, does penetrate very quickly, goes deeper into the body. Now, from sun gazing, when we put it straight to the eyes, that prism of light hits the chakras. Now, the blue from the sun only needs to go here, and it's the shortest wavelength. Coincidence? Nope, don't think so. Now, the blue has got a little longer wavelength from the sun as it hits the eyes. It needs to go to the throat. It's a little bit longer, a little bit further away from the eyes. The green is even a little bit further away when it gets in from sun gazing. The green light from the prism of the sun. So it hits the green chakra. Has to go a little further, it's a longer wavelength. The yellow is an even longer wavelength, proven by science. And it has to go from the eyes all the way down to the stomach. The orange has got to go even further, down to the sacred sexual chambers. The red has got to go the furthest, and funny enough, red is the longest wavelength. I just connected the dots for you. The chakras are real. Light, sunlight is a multifactorial prism of light. Rainbows, chakras, wavelengths, connect the dots. Peace.